good there, not good. What's going on, ADV hooligans? ADV Gourmet here. Today it's bike maintenance day. Yes, we've completed the Smoky Mountain 500. We've done parts of the SCAR. We've done the Mid-Atlantic BDR. We rode from New York to Charleston, South Carolina, 800 miles, something like that. So, look, bike needs a little bit of love. Sounds like I got some clutch issues, so we're going to pull that off, take a look at that. We're going to give it an oil change, clean the chain. Then we're going to, because I got to take the fuel pump off, the water pump off, change the coolants, and feels like, I've got an error code that's popping up right now for my O2 sensor. So that baby's getting eliminated. I got a elimination kit that I'm going to put on it. Little plug and then a little plug in the muffler and the header. And then I've also got an electrical plug that bypasses the error code for the engine or for the electrical system. So you guys stick with me. All that and more today on ADV Gourmet. We're going to take this off to get to the oil filter and plug. That's me good for that. Alright, so I'm gonna Alright, so let's see how there we go. Should come right off. Let's see how dark this oil is. Oh, not good there, not good. A little bit quicker than I thought it was gonna come out. I'm just gonna love that mess. Let's see if I have something that big. Alright, well that little booger was on there. So as you saw, I had to get a leather belt because you can buy the, look at all that crap that's in there. A little bit of junk in there. Anyhow, you can buy those black rubber strapped oil filter removers, but I don't have one. And the one I have is for cars, so I had to use a belt, just a regular belt with a little bit of mildew on it, and wrap that around, give it some torque. So you guys can see what you can do in a pinch if you need to. Alright, so got the old oil filter off, with the new oil filter on. Now I did dip the oil filter in a little bit of oil. Just a slight turn. No, it should be locked in there. No, it's not. Let's turn it down. Alright, that should be good. Alright. Half turn. Okay. That should be good. Good half turn. That's why it's a bitch. That nut makes it a lot easier to get that oil filter off. Let me just say. So I might have to be getting that type oil filter from now on. I don't know if they're any more expensive or not, but it does make it a little bit easier for sure.